Charlotte, look outside. It is raining.
Yes, Mom. The rain is strong.
Elijah, do you hear the rain?
Yes, Dad. It is very loud.
Charlotte, we will stay home today.
Okay, Mom. I like staying home.
Elijah, no school today.
Really? That is great! Mom, can I watch the rain?
Yes, you can.
Dad, can I play inside?
Of course, of course.
Charlotte, do you want some tea? Yes, please.
Elijah, do you want milk?
Yes, Dad. Mom, the sky is gray.
Yes, it is cloudy.
Dad, I see water on the window.
Those are raindrops.
Charlotte, sit here with me.
Okay, Mom.
Elijah, come here.
I am coming! Mom, I feel calm.
That is nice.
Dad, I feel happy.
Me too. Oh.
Charlotte, let's read a book.
Good idea.
Elijah, let's play a game.
Yes. Ah! Mom, what book is this? It is a storybook.
Elijah, what game can we play?
Let's play with blocks.
Charlotte, listen to the story.
I am listening.
Elijah, build a tower.
Okay. Mom, the story is nice.
I'm glad you like it.
Dad, look at my tower.
It is tall.
Charlotte, turn the page.
Okay. Oh,
Elijah, be careful.
Will.
Mom, the rain is stronger now.
yes, it is heavy rain.
Dad, my tower fell.
That's okay. Try again.
Charlotte, do you like rainy days?
Yes, I do.
Elijah, do you like this game?
Yes, I love it. Mom, I feel sleepy.
You can rest.
Dad, I am not sleepy.
That's fine.
Dad!
Charlotte, lie down here.
Thank you, Mom.
Elijah, sit next to me.
Okay, Dad. Mom, your voice is soft.
Thank you.
Dad, your game is fun.
I'm happy you like it.
Charlotte, close your eyes.
Okay.
Elijah, stack the blocks.
I am doing it. Mom, I hear the rain.
It is relaxing.
Dad, I made a house.
Great job.
Charlotte, are you awake?
Yes, I am.
Elijah, are you tired?
No, not yet. Mom, can we bake something?
Yes, let's bake.
Dad, can I help?
Help? Of course.
Charlotte, get the flour.
Okay.
Elijah, bring the bowl.
No, here it is. Here it is. Mom, I have the flour.
Good.
Good. Dad, I have the bowl. You.
Thank you.
Charlotte, mix it well.
I am mixing.
Elijah, pour the milk. Okay.
Mom, it smells nice.
Yes, it does.
Dad, I like cooking.
Me too.
Charlotte, put it in the oven.
Okay.
Okay,
Elijah, wait a little.
I can wait. And wait. Mom, I am excited.
Me too.
Dad, is it ready?
Not yet.
Charlotte, let's clean up.
Okay. Yeah.
Elijah,
Wipe the table. Yes, Dad. Mom, the rain is soft now.
Yes, it is lighter.
Dad, I hear birds. The rain.
the rain is stopping.
Charlotte, the cake is ready. Yay!
Elijah, come and eat.
I'm coming. Mom, it looks good.
Thank you.
Dad.
It smells great.
Yes, it does.
Charlotte, take a piece.
Okay.
Elijah, be careful, it's hot.
I will. Mom, it is delicious.
I'm happy.
Dad, I love it.
I'm glad.
Charlotte, drink some tea.
Okay.
Elijah, drink your milk.
Yes, Dad. Mom, this day is nice.
Yes, it is.
Dad, I like rainy days.
Me too.
Me too.
Charlotte, thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
Elijah,
Elijah, thank you for helping.
you're welcome.
Mom, can we play again?
Yes, we can.
Dad, can we build again? Of course.
Of course.
Charlotte, bring your game. Okay.
Elijah, Bring your blocks.
I will. Mom, I feel happy.
I feel happy too.
Dad, I feel great.
That's wonderful.
Charlotte, stay close.
I will.
Elijah, stay safe.
Yes, Dad. Mom, I love our family.
I love it too.
Dad, I love our home.
Me.
Me too. Today is special. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Elijah, today is fun.
Yes, it is. Mom, I like rainy days with you.
I like it too, my dear.